everybody, it's Madonna for Cooking with Madonna, and today we are having Christine with us, who is a friend of mine, a model and a designer as well. So yeah, what are you making today?
We'll be making Dropscones. It's a breakfast
Dish.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't know how to make Dropscones. I've been meaning to learn, but since we're having Christine here, she's going to show us and we are all going to learn. So let's get into it. Okay, so it's the moment we've been waiting for. We are going to taste the Dropscones, and we've garnished ours with icing sugar and the other ones we've garnished with coconut. So we're going to taste and see how they taste. Let's begin with the icing sugar ones. They're beautiful. Cry! It tastes nice.
Well done. Everything tastes. You can taste the cinnamon. Just everything.
I can taste the cinnamon.
And it's well cooked. It's
Yeah.
not. It's not soaky.
Yeah, the ones I tasted, they were so fatty. They had so much oil. I think they were deep fried. I think I like these ones more. They were shallow fried. So let's taste the ones with coconuts.
I'm a huge fan of coconut, by the way, so.
Same, but no.
I definitely love the ones
Icing.
with icing.
This is a no. No. No.
Yeah, but it's just according to your preference. If you love the coconut one or the icing one.
So you can serve this with tea, yeah? And also juice
For the juice, fresh juice.
Okay, this is really nice. You guys should definitely try this at home. And let us know if it was a fail or a success.
Yes.
Oh yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.